How you doing, guys? Just doing a short little review on my GE demonstrator by Scaletrains. I just picked it up today. The detail is great. I don't see nothing broke out of the box. Handrail was popped out right there a little bit. This is the second run of the Tier 4 Gevos from Scaletrains. It's got the wind deflectors and the mirrors on the cab. Alright, I'll show you that's the headlight. Headlight and rear light looks awesome. Nothing, no complaints there. But I'll show you my ditch lights. They're showing up brighter on the video than they are in real life. I'm gonna have to probably take that apart and put new LEDs into that because they're barely shining even on. You might be able to tell the brightness difference from the headlight to the ditch lights. That's an easy fix. I'll fix that myself. Alright. This is the invoice from modeltrainstuff.com, Kleins. Alright. $229. And that's with DCC with Loc Sound. And it already has the built-in Keep Alive. I've been trying to find out from Scaletrains if the DCC ready models that they have, if they already have the Keep Alive, just not the decoders. And honestly, I think they do not have the Keep Alives in them. So if you buy this model for $229, you're getting a $100 version 4 Loc Sound 21 pin decoder, plus you're getting the extra $50 for the Keep Alive. The DCC rental model is $149.99. So for another $100, actually a little less than $100, you're getting the decoder and the Keep Alive. So I suggest everybody to buy the decoder already in the engine. But if they are sold out on certain models, just go ahead and get the DCC model and put your own decoder in them. Alright, I'll do a startup sequence. That is all the factory sound settings. I haven't adjusted anything. But Scale Trains, I actually can say they did a better job on the sound files. It sounds like they got the exhaust volume turned up, the engine volume it's more loud this time. Or I haven't been inside the engine yet to see if they changed the speakers, but it sounds great. All right, here's the bell, F1. I don't know if the ditch lights are supposed to be flashing or not on this road number, but I can't even really tell if it is or if it ain't. That's coupler clank. F4 is dynamic brake. You have to be moving. F5 is DPU mode. It actually turns the lights off. And it turned the rear light on, but it don't have the DPU light on the rear. F6 is the ditch lights. F7, I do believe, is not used. Here's all the functions. F7 is not used. F8 is sound on and off. F9's drive hold. F10 is independent brake. F11 is the radiator fan. F12 is dimmer. F13's air dryer. 14, 15 not used. 16 is spitter, 17's brake release, 18 sanding valve, 19 short air let off, and F20 is the compressor. That's all your functions. I'll idle it up while it's being sitting. My number boards ain't that bright either, if you can see it. I'm turning it on and off now. I'll have to check all that out. Got about 4 seconds with the keep alive. Not bad. That's pretty good. Alright guys, I'm not going to do too much more of a review. There's other channels that have tons of reviews out on these. This one here, this model, I think they only have like 25 of them left in stock at Model Train Stuff. They have like 14 of the DCC ready models, but they have plenty of the other road numbers still in stock, so check it out, see if you can get one or not. And everybody, thanks for watching. See you later.